Let's go ahead and do a review of DinoRANK, which lets you optimize your SEO content strategy with competitive keyword tracking. It's alternative to Ahrefs, SEMrush, and would be best fit for marketers, SEO expert, and website owners. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into DinoRANK and see how it works. You can grab lifetime deal for $69 and for $69. You can get 300 keywords to track daily, 20 domain tracking, 225 WDF *IDF analysis, content, 150 keyword research, monthly, 35 results by keyword research. Want to get an extra 10% off Appsumo lifetime deal? I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all the information how you get 10% off every products. DinoRANK helps you optimize your SEO strategy with keyword tracking, internal linking, competitor analysis, and more. With DinoRANK, you can monitor your position in search engine results by tracking keyword prominence and internal links. You'll even be able to determine estimated site traffic and high-opportunity keywords for your domain, or any of your competitors' domains. Track your competitors' keyword performance to adapt your SEO strategy and outrank them in the SERPs. DinoRANK lets you generate a detailed bar graph of all your internal links so you can visualize how your pages are connected. Use the graph to identify click depth, internal page rank, and status, in order to optimize your internal linking strategy. Plus, you can evaluate your website's architecture to figure out if your pages are easy for Google to index. DinoRANK also helps you identify which keywords are boosting your competitor's position and integrate them into your own content. Pinpoint semantically related keywords so you can write content that captures traffic for related searches. You'll even be able to keep an eye on how many times your competitors take advantage of semantically related keywords. And if you want to optimize your content, just swipe the content structure from your competitors ranking in the top 10 search results. You can track the position of your domain or your competitors' domains based on keyword prominence. Just enter the domain you want to analyze and its country or region to find keywords that could propel you to the top of search results. Analyze your competitors' ranking and compare that to your own performance, so you can discover opportunities to improve your website. The right keywords work like magic, choose them wisely and you could rise to the top of the SERPs. Earth, water,